Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. But now let's get right in today's content. Over the last 24 hours, a lot has happened within the cryptocurrency market. I was unable to make a video till the evening today because I wanted to really let the overall price of Bitcoin settle down and to really give you guys a proper update as to what exactly is going on right now. And if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap, you guys can see we are above $900 billion market cap once again. And if we're looking across the board, you guys can see a lot of green across the board within the last 24 hours, and that's mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is seeing an upwards trend occurring. In the month of December so far has lived up to the hype. But as you guys already know, we will be looking further into Terra Luna Classic daily update and see what exactly is going on and what are some price targets now we should be looking at, as we are seeing BTC starting to see this upwards trend occurring. So looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic right now, you guys can see it is currently trading at that 0.00017 cents mark. It is down 1.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but look, we're down about 4.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours, and that's mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is seeing an upwards trend occurring within its price. Market cap is currently sitting still above that $1 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume has increased compared to yesterday, currently sitting at 72.3 million. But before we jump into the charts and see what exactly is going on, what are some price targets we should be looking at, I just wanted to share the overall burn update. You guys can see about 0.51%, less than a percent of the circulate total supply is burned right now, with currently about 35.7 billion of Lunc burned as of now, and that is very impressive. We're just a couple months into this, and only basically one of the major exchanges is kind of supporting Terra Luna Classic burn. And imagine, as I've mentioned to you guys on a continuous basis, more and more exchanges come out to, next year and start supporting this. I do see this percentage going up way higher, and if they make this burn even with a bigger magnitude, that could help even more than expected. And obviously, yesterday, as I've covered on my channel, that Sam Bankman-Fried was arrested in the Bahamas, and that is very, very bullish for the price of Terra Luna Classic. Not only is it bullish, but it's very interesting, kind of gives us, something to look forward to. What is he going to answer? I know he's going to be questioned very, very seriously in the upcoming months, and the massive, there's a lot of questions that are going to be asked, but one of the questions that's going to be asked is, were you behind the Terra Luna Classic, dump, or do you know who did it? And I don't know, I'm just starting to have a gut feeling, like a lot of people, that he had something to do with this. As he almost threw Binance under the table. Why would he not, collapse Terra Luna Classic? And, it just makes quite a bit sense in my personal opinion, but we will see what happens. But now let's look at the price, what's going on with the price, and what are some price targets we should be looking at in the immediate short term. So before we look at the targets for Terra Luna Classic, I want you guys to keep an attention on this. Look what's happening with BTC. As I've mentioned to you guys over the past few days, we were hovering around the 17K mark for quite some time, and we saw the price of BTC go up all the way to 18,000 almost. We have not touched that, but we did see us go there. And right now we're about to retest the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level that we have not seen since this major FTX collapse. And are we about to see this upwards trend occurring because he was arrested? I don't really know what's going on, but we will see what happens. And if we get back in the 78.6, you guys know this is the last life support for the price of BTC, if you want to call it on the safe end. So we are headed in the right direction, but right now it's nothing to be getting excited about until we actually get in these levels and actually close above there. So that is something we do need to keep in mind. But right now, Luna Classic, so we are not seeing the overall momentum come in right now for Terra Luna Classic, and nothing to worry about in my personal opinion. So far, we've been holding quite well, but as I've always said, guys, we're not above this level of resistance, which is at that 1.74 cents mark. And, I keep on saying this on a continuous basis. This is very important. This is the massive, massive important level of, resistance, because let me show you guys something. Every time we never kind of closed, above it. Every time we've seen a more of a bigger drop, you guys can see. So we do need the price if we want to talk about these trend, these next level of resistance coming up at that 2.1, and if we want to talk about killing another zero for Terra Luna Classic, we really do need the price to go above this level. And I really strongly believe that this overall BTC momentum, if we do get into the 78.6, I would not be surprised at all that we go back above this, and most importantly start heading back above this level of resistance, which we have not seen for quite some time, about a month and a half to be exact right now. But so far so good. But as always, as I mentioned on my channel, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Only do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. I cannot stress this enough. But as far as Terra Luna Classic is concerned, massive collapse that has occurred, and that is no doubt. We're seeing a rebuild, and the community's coming together, moving in the right direction, working together. And this is what is going to be needed the next 1, 2, 3, 4 years to really see Terra Luna Classic get to the levels we really want it to be at. And on top of that, the cherry on top would obviously be the fact that if Sam Bankman freed, and we were having a laugh yesterday about if it's fried or freed, but it's freed. But who cares about this guy? But if he really were to say something about this, we could really start seeing something very exciting occur for Terra Luna Classic. But that is it for today's update. Thank you so much for all the support. Continue supporting me, and I will continue bringing you guys the latest updates for Terra Luna Classic. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.